The truth is, you will never attract anything you want, because we don't attract what we want. We attract what we are. This is the law of assumption. Assuming that you have it, because what you assume, you become, and what you become, you attract. As simple as it sounds, it can be a bit tricky to master initially. So you may be wondering, what do you mean? Do you just trick your mind into pretending that you have something and it will just appear? I'm going to walk you through a very simple technique that demonstrates these principles rather effectively. Let's do it together. Close your eyes for a moment and sit up nice and straight. Now just relax and get your breath into a nice rhythm and calm your mind. And once your breath is relaxed and your mind is calm, I want you to visualize a lemon in front of you. Reach out with your left hand and pick up the lemon. Hold it in your hand and look at it. Look at the color. Look at the imperfections on the skin. Feel its texture, its weight, how it feels in your hand. Now visualize a table in front of you and place the lemon on the table. Visualize a knife to the right of the lemon. Pick it up with your right hand. Notice the difference in its weight, its texture, the difference when holding it versus when you were holding the lemon. Now, cut the lemon in half. And as you do, visualize the action with all your senses. See it, hear it, feel it, smell it. Next, I want you to pick up half of the lemon in your left hand and slowly bring it closer and closer to your mouth. And once it's right at your mouth, I want you to squeeze it as hard as you can, squeezing all of that lemon juice into your mouth. Now close your mouth. Now feel what's happening in your mouth, around your tongue, at the back of your jaw. Can you feel the saliva building? Can you feel a tingling sensation? You can open your eyes now. So what just happened there? Did you feel it? You visualized something in your mind, and that created a direct reaction in your real world. Now, for those of you who didn't feel anything, the problem was that you couldn't see it clearly. You couldn't taste it. You couldn't feel it. Your mind was distracted by other things, or perhaps you have never truly experienced a lemon before. This is the same problem you can run into using the law of attraction. You try to script what you want, to visualize what you want, but it doesn't manifest into your physical reality. Either you are distracted, or your own personal experiences have been too far away from what you are trying to manifest, and as such you are not visualizing it with enough feeling or enough detail. This is why you will often hear people say when you are trying to manifest, say, the car of your dreams, that you should go to the dealership, pretend you want to buy one, have the sales assistant help you out, take it on a test drive, go through the motions so you fully know what the experience is like. This lemon test is a powerful technique for demonstrating the potential for the depth of detail that you can bring into your visualizations. The more detail, the more vivid it is, the more of your senses you can engage, the greater the assumption that it's happening right now. Whether it's a lemon, money, a house, it doesn't matter. The more you can feel it, the greater the reaction will be in your reality. An emotional response, a vibrational shift, and that will start to attract it into your physical reality. This is how the law of assumption works. Just remember, I want never gets. Instead say I am or I have. I am powerful. I am rich. I am wealthy. Allow yourself to feel it and become every sensation of it. And when you become tuned to that vibrational frequency, you will attract it.